Hello guys, how can you make the red cheeks effect in Photoshop? First, go to selection and choose the lasso tool. Now select the cheek areas on the face where you want to add the effect. After making the selection, go to the adjustment layer and select curves. Adjust the curve slightly to increase brightness. Now switch from RGB to the red channel and adjust it gently. After that, go to Properties and set the feather around 9.4. And that's it. Here is the before and after result.